Jingiaseng Tripura, Komali, সকলে ডাকে আমায়, কি করে আমার দৃষ্টি ফিরেছে সে কথা জানতে চাই। বলিলাম আমি সবার মাঝারে তাহাকে
Prayer shed demolished in Tripura, St. Joseph Bas Parish in Amarpur by martyrs in their reporter. Pynpra Jingiaseng Jingiaseng Tripura, Jingiaseng Joseph Bas Parish ha Amarpur. Haga Katholik Oktober Arhuar, Hasram Komali Tripura, Katto katne briew Jamatia, Haga Jingiaseng Lambakla, Hindu Kwa, Ker Puja ya iing ban. Haga Katholik Oktober Arhuar, Hasram Komali Tripura, Katto katne briew Jamatia, Haga Jingiaseng Lambakla, Hindu Kwa, Ker Puja ya iing ban Pynlong Jingiseng Balang Katholik.
একদিন দৃষ্টি ফিরে পেলাম।
Kita Khristan Teologin Katholik, kiba layalung ng hakasil Trai na kabatang Jingiaseng. Briew trong Khristan, badai di Jamatia Hindu, kila Pynpra ya tarpal baro saudong pada celong. Balang ya Jingiaseng.
ফিরায়ে দিয়েছে বল মোদের কাছে, ছাড়লো না তারা নিয়ে গেল ধরে মহারাজার কাছে। কি করে
Kanina video kadang jaka pur khlem Balang eka ada ucap dan nota.
হায় হায় এ যে ভীষণ
Kalami ka kubur naga new channel jaka Tripura. Lesra ya kasem ha ka jaka ka kendau jaka Parish long pada Leejesh Mathew Parish fish. Kipur leki badai jaka sorkar. Kasi tu betul yang mana huara jarak huai na percaya lagi pai Hindu. PRS kita porba khlem kari India. Bagi tremon soba angkat bagi neki Jamatia Hindu. Kristan Komali kaha papo kapari St. Joseph Bas Amarpur Diocese Katto.
ফিরে পেলাম অন্ধ বরতিময় আমি, অন্ধ জন্মেছিলাম যিশুর ছোঁয়ায় একদিন দৃষ্টি।
A makeshift prayer hall of the Christian in a remote village in Tripura was allegedly dismantled by Hindu villagers who claimed that a bamboo structure was in encroachment on boundaries set for Ker Puja on Sunday. The incident took place at Komali village in Ambi Assembly constituency of Komali district in Tripura. Ker Puja is an indigenous festival organized in a restricted piece of land. During the Puja days, the area which is marked for the rituals remains closed to outsiders. A video of the local villagers taking off the roofs and fencing of the makeshift prayer hall went viral on social media platforms, drawing widespread condemnation from different sections of the society. The incident reportedly occurred when prayers were being held inside the structure. Police said the majority of the Hindu villagers objected to it because it hurt the traditional practices of the Jamatia community, a prominent tribe of the 19 tribal communities of the state. Father Leejesh of Amarpur Parish Church, who acts as the supervisor of the local churches, said a bamboo-made prayer hall was destroyed and all the Christians of the village have been advised to visit the nearest parish church located in the adjacent village for prayers and other religious activities.
Parish pada Leejesh Mathew uang bakade besian Balang bagi sa Thup. kajaka kalong mangkap par kajaka le Ker Puja kabahe joki hisin tisnem baki sawit barang gayi kamane ki Khristan hagane kajaka kumta kabalang kalayakan barkane katen hun Hindu Jamatia Trai panak mata kasuk kasai ngan ki aken hun kabalang kalapendai barai do siki.
We have settled the matter. Now it is given to them, and they are taking care of it. And it is we have talked over also. Yes.
So
now we have made the peace talk. Everything is it's
so
okay.
another structure was built.
What church structure?
No, that bamboo tent like structure where the prayer was going on.
No. That was a place for them. They just recently for the prayer service they had made the resort. Yeah.
So now now these people will be praying in other church, na?
Yeah, in other church, and they have to manage nearby parish, nearby villages are there. Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay.
No problem. Now it's getting okay only. No worry now. We have discussed with the authority all that now. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, then thank you.
ছিলাম যখন কেউ ডাকেনি আমায় এখন কেন যে এত জিজ্ঞাসা কিছু না বুঝে পেলাম যিশুর ছোঁয়ায় একদিন দৃষ্টি ফিরে পেলাম